Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. Imagine a world where every product you buy has a digital fingerprint, tracing its journey from raw material to your doorstep. A world where counterfeits are extinct and supply chain disruptions are a thing of the past. This future is closer than you think, thanks to blockchain technology. Today, we're diving into Vechain, a groundbreaking platform harnessing the power of blockchain to transform the way we manage and track products. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a supply chain professional, this video will give you a clear understanding of Vechain and its potential to reshape industries. Traditional supply chains are complex webs, often plagued by inefficiencies and vulnerabilities. Counterfeit products flood the market, eroding consumer trust. A lack of transparency makes it difficult to track product origins and ensure quality standards. And supply chain disruptions can lead to shortages and economic losses. This is where Vechain comes in. By leveraging blockchain technology, Vechain creates an immutable record of a product's journey, from raw materials to the final consumer. Every transaction, from manufacturing to shipping, is recorded on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and accountability. With Vechain, you can trace a product's journey, verify authenticity, improve efficiency. Vechain is already making a difference in industries like luxury goods, pharmaceuticals, and food. For example, in the pharmaceutical industry, Vechain helps track drug distribution and prevent counterfeit medications from reaching patients. To power this innovative platform, Vechain employs a dual token model. Let's break it down. VET is the foundational token of the Vechain ecosystem. Imagine it as the lifeblood that fuels the entire network. It serves multiple purposes. Medium of exchange. VET is used to transfer value within the Vechain ecosystem, enabling payments for goods and services. Store of value. Like any cryptocurrency, VET can be held as an investment, with the potential for appreciation over time. Governance. VET holders have a say in the network's decision-making process, allowing them to participate in governance proposals. Access to services. Holding VET can grant access to exclusive features and services within the Vechain ecosystem. VTHO, or Vechain VTHO Energy, is the second token essential to Vechain's operations. Think of it as the gas that powers transactions on the network. Every interaction on the Vechain blockchain requires a certain amount of VTHO to execute. This mechanism helps maintain network stability and prevents congestion. Interestingly, VTHO is generated from VET holdings, rewarding long-term VET holders. Before we dive into potential benefits, it's crucial to understand that this information is not financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries significant risks. Always conduct thorough research and consider consulting with a financial advisor. Now, let's talk about the potential rewards and challenges of investing in Vechain. On the upside, if Vechain continues to gain traction and adoption, the value of VET could potentially increase. As the platform grows, the demand for VET and VTHO is likely to rise, impacting their prices positively. However, it's essential to be aware of the risks. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and Vechain's price can fluctuate significantly. Regulatory changes, technological advancements, and market sentiment can all impact the value of VET. Vechain is revolutionizing supply chain management by leveraging blockchain technology. From enhancing transparency and traceability to combating counterfeits, Vechain is addressing critical industry challenges. Understanding the VET and VTHO tokens is essential to grasping the platform's economics. Want to learn more about Vechain and blockchain? Be sure to like, subscribe to Trading Critique, and hit that notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.